Hi lovely, welcome back to the Vanity. I'm a licensed cosmetologist 22 years behind the chair. Most of my clients are, like me, in their 60s and beyond. So when I test styling products, I test them for hair that's lived a little. And the number one pick on today's list is not the one everyone's talking about. Over 3 weeks, I read the NC list on every product here, checked FD filings on the aerosols, and pulled the patent papers on the top pick. What I found flipped my ranking upside down. 2 products my clients have loved for years fell to the bottom. And the winner? Straight out of mitt. Or if you're over 60 and your hairspray is quietly aging you every single morning. This ranking is going to sting. I'm a cosmetologist of 22 years, and I just tested the 7 biggest styling products on the market for hair that's colored, thinned, or softened with time. The one at the top isn't the one your daughter's using. Let's kick things off at number 7 with Got2b Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Got2b Glued has a devoted following, and I do understand why. It's cheap, it holds like cement, and if you've ever tried to make thin hair look voluminous for a wedding photo, you've probably reached for it at least once. I've reached for it too, but when I finally sat down and read the NC list, I couldn't honestly keep recommending it to my mature clients, and I'll show you why in a moment. The main issue is what sits near the top of the ingredient list. It's SD alcohol 40B, and when an ingredient shows up that high, it means it makes up a big chunk of the whole formula. On a 25-year-old scalp with plenty of natural oil, that's tolerable. Once your scalp starts making less natural oil than it did 10 years ago, which is most of us past menopause, that level of alcohol is properly dehydrating. It doesn't just dry the hair. The scalp underneath dries out too, and you don't feel it happening for weeks. Now this is the part nobody at the salon tells you. When the scalp gets dry, the roots look flat, the hair looks dusty in the light, and we blame our hair. But it isn't the hair, it's the styling product doing its job a little too well. My client Marlene, 71, has been growing out her silver for 4 years and it's beautiful. She tried this for 1 week and told me her scalp felt tight by dinner, and her hair looked matte, almost powdered. Silver and gray hair, in particular, needs light reflecting shine to look elegant. A product that mattes it out doesn't just kill the style, it ages you visually. So if you love the hold, keep it for a very special occasion and follow with a hydrating rinse the next morning. As a daily styler for hair over 60 though, it belongs right where I've put it, at the bottom. Wait until you see what's about to knock it out of the running. Moving up to number 6, we have Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray. Aussie Instant Freeze has been in medicine cabinets since the 90s, and I think a lot of us keep buying it out of pure habit, or because we remember the smell of the original from our daughter's bathrooms. It sits a little higher than Got2b for me because the fragrance is softer, the finish is a touch less crunchy, and the hold, while strong, is more flexible on fine hair. However, we run into a similar problem. Denatured alcohol is again very high on the ingredient list, and the fragrance is doing a lot of heavy lifting to mask it. Now I want to be fair here, fragrance in a hair product isn't automatically a concern. The real issue is that heavily fragranced sprays sit on the scalp all day. And mature scalps are more prone to little reactions than they were 20 years ago, because the protective barrier on our skin, including our scalp, thins with time. I had 2 testers try Aussie Instant Freeze for a full week. One of them, Diane, 64, told me she woke up on day 4 with a small, itchy patch behind her ear where the spray drifts most. That's a classic low-grade skin reaction, and it's exactly the kind of thing I want you to catch early, before it becomes a real irritation. The other tester, Patricia, 78, had 0 reaction at all. So the risk is very individual, but it's real. The reaction risk climbs if you're also coloring your hair, which thins the scalp barrier even more. So Aussie is fine for occasional touch-ups. It just isn't the daily driver we deserve at this stage. The next one up is a product I actually used to swear by, and that's where this list starts to earn its keep. Halfway up the list at number 5 is TRESemmé Extra Hold Mousse. I want to be careful with this one because I have real affection for it. TRESemmé Mousse gave a whole generation of us the volume we needed under the blow dryer. The price point has always been kind. It's not a bad product, it just isn't, in my opinion, a great product for hair that's changed with age. 2 ingredients are the reason. The first is a set of denatured alcohols used to help the mousse dry quickly. Quick drying feels efficient, but on hair that's already prone to dryness and breakage, it's a small daily insult. The second is a synthetic polymer that, over time, builds up right at the roots. And that buildup is the hidden reason your volume product stops working. Nobody at the drugstore will tell you this. Polymer buildup around the follicle is one of the reasons hair goes flat exactly where you want lift. So when women in our demographic say their volume product isn't working anymore, the product is often working exactly as designed. The hair simply can't handle all that buildup on top of everything else it's dealing with. When I tested it on my own hair, and I'm 62 with fine texture, colored dark blonde, I got the volume I wanted on day 1. By day 3, without a clarifying wash between, my roots felt slightly waxy. That's the signature of buildup. If you love it, use it maybe twice a week, and clarify weekly with a gentle cleansing rinse. Honestly though, there are better options coming, and the next one is the first drugstore product on today's list that I'll defend without hesitation. At number 4, we've got Herbal Essences Set Me Up Hairspray. Herbal Essences Set Me Up is the highest-ranked drugstore option today, and I want to explain why it climbs above the previous 3 even though, on paper, some of the ingredients look similar. The differences are small, but they matter enormously once you actually spray this on aging hair. The formula still uses alcohol, but at a lower level than the freeze sprays, and it's softened by provitamin B5, which the brand has used for decades. Pantothenic acid, which is what B5 becomes on the hair, works like a magnet for moisture. It helps the strand hold on to a little bit of water, even under heat. That single ingredient is why my client Susan, 68, an auburn colorer since she was 40, told me her hair felt less crispy with this than with the 2 drugstore hairsprays she'd been alternating. I also appreciate that the hold is medium rather than extreme. Extreme hold is a young woman's game. Once we're working with finer strands and a scalp that shows more easily, we don't want a helmet, we want movement that stays where we put it. This spray gives you that. It also brushes out cleanly, which matters if you set your hair at night and want to reshape it in the morning without a full rewash. Where it loses points is fragrance. It's a strong, sweet, very recognizable scent that some of you will love and some of you will find heavy. If your husband, your grandchildren, or your bridge partner has commented that they can smell your hairspray across the room, this is likely the culprit. I'd suggest a single light pass instead of a full spray and let the B5 do the work. A solid, honest, mid-tier pick that's earned its place. Now we're about to leave the drugstore aisle entirely. Quick thing before we get into the top 3. If this ranking is helping you avoid overpriced styling products that promise the world and leave your hair worse off, please hit like and subscribe so you don't get caught by the hype, because the ones at the top are not the ones everyone is talking about. Let's keep going, and that brings us up to number 3, Kenra Volume Spray 25. Number 3 is where we finally cross into the products I actively recommend, and Kenra Volume Spray 25 is where we begin. If you've ever had your hair done in a real salon for a wedding or a milestone birthday in the last 20 years, there's a very good chance your stylist finished you off with this. It's been a working professional staple since the late 90s, and it's still earning its place today. The reason it sits at number 3 and not higher is that it's still an aerosol with a meaningful alcohol content. You can't make a true firm hold spray without some, but Kenra did something clever with the delivery, and this is the detail most reviews miss. The particle size is finer than most drugstore sprays. That means less product hits the scalp on the way down, and more of it lands on the strand where you want it. Over years of daily use, that tiny difference really does add up. The other reason it earns its place is the finish. On my 62-year-old client, Elaine, who has beautiful natural white hair she wears in a chin-length bob, Kenra gave her a soft, glossy hold that caught the light instead of dulling it. Silver and white hair need shine the way blonde and brunette hair need warmth. Without shine, we look washed out. This spray respects that. Where I want you to be careful is the strength. The 25 refers to the hold level, and it's on the firmer end. If you've got very fine hair or you're prone to headaches from a tight set, ask your stylist about Kenra Volume Spray 18, which is the same brand at a lighter hold. Applied about 10 inches from the head in short bursts, either version holds through humidity, a long dinner, and a car ride home, and the scalp never feels gripped. This isn't the newest product on the list. It isn't the trendiest either, but it's hands down one of the best working sprays money can buy. Number 2, though, is where this whole ranking flips on its head. Now we're at number 2, Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I know the price tag is going to make some of you close the tab, and I understand. I really do. But hear me out for a second. For hair that's thinning, softening, or losing its natural volume, this one bottle can honestly last you 8 to 10 months. That completely changes the math, and I'll break down exactly why in a moment. Oribe isn't a hairspray in the traditional sense. It's a texturizing spray, which means it's designed to add grip and lift to hair that's gone limp or fine, without setting it in place like cement. For our demographic, that distinction matters enormously, because the single biggest complaint I hear from women in their 60s and 70s isn't my hair won't hold a style. It's my hair looks flat and lifeless, and I don't recognize it in the mirror. Traditional hairspray doesn't solve that problem. A texturizing spray finally does. Here's the science, in plain English. Modern polymer chemistry has finally caught up with the needs of aging hair. That means polymers engineered to add grip at the mid-shaft without weighing the roots down. Oribe's formula uses a bamboo extract and a proprietary polymer blend designed to do exactly that. My tester Barbara, 73, who'd been using drugstore volumizers for 40 years, told me that within 1 week she stopped needing to backcomb her crown. That's the sign of a product that's actually lifting, not just holding. The fragrance is famous. It's the Côte d'Azur scent Oribe uses across the line, and it's elegant rather than sweet. If you're sensitive to fragrance, that's worth noting, but I've never had a client react to it. What I will say is that you use very, very little. 2 short bursts at the roots and 1 through the mid-lengths lifted with your fingers is the entire application. 1 bottle lasts you months on end. The shelf price is high, no question about it. But spread that bottle over a year compared to 3 drugstore volumizers that don't quite work, and the math flips completely. And there's still one product I now trust above even this one. That brings us to the winner at number 1. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5 in 1 styling treatment. Here we are, the product I did not expect to be recommending when I started this project, and the one that's now permanently on my own bathroom counter. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, the 5-in-1 styling treatment. And the story behind this bottle is different from every other product on today's list. Living Proof was founded in 2005 by Dr. Bob Langer, an institute professor at MIT, and a team of biotech scientists working out of his lab. Langer holds over 800 patents. He was awarded the Presidential Medal of Technology and Innovation, and he's the same scientist behind foundational work at Moderna. None of this is marketing hype. It's a beauty brand born inside one of the most serious labs in the world. And the reason that matters for our hair, over 60, comes down to 2 molecules they patented. The first is called the Healthy Hair Molecule, or OFMA. It forms a weightless shield around each strand and repels dirt, oil, and hard water minerals. Now this is the part that surprised even me. Hard water buildup and mineral deposits on the hair shaft are one of the sneakiest reasons mature hair looks dull. We spend money on shine sprays trying to fix the surface, when the actual problem is minerals from the shower coating the strand every single day. The second molecule, Bay, deposits microscopic dots between strands so hair looks visibly fuller. That's real, patented, published chemistry doing the work. The brand's own clinical testing reports that the formula reduces breakage by 78% and makes hair 4.5 times stronger. Now those are their internal numbers, so take them with the salt any brand claim deserves. But the results in my chair backed them up. My client Judith, 76, has been half convinced for the last decade that her hair was just done. She used this for 3 weeks and sent me a photograph I will not forget. Her hair looked the way it did in her 60th birthday portrait. The picture wasn't of younger hair or artificial hair. It was just her own hair, healthy and soft and full of movement again. That's what a truly great styling product does for us at this stage of life. What it does is let our hair look like the best version of what it is now. 1 pea-sized amount on damp hair before you blow dry replaces a mousse, a serum, a heat protectant, a shine cream, and a smoothing balm. My hands aren't as steady as they were at 40, and juggling 5 bottles in the morning is properly harder now. This product respects that. If you buy one product from this entire list, make it this one. So there they are, the 7 hairstyling products I tested, ranked from the one I want you to leave behind to the one I now cannot imagine my routine without. And if you take nothing else from today, take this. Our goal isn't to fight our hair into looking 25 again. It's to give the hair we have now, the hair that raised children, ran companies, survived losses, and showed up looking beautiful for every important day of our lives, the respect and the ingredients it deserves. If this ranking was useful, please leave a comment telling me which product surprised you most and which one you've been loyal to for years. I read every single comment, and honestly, some of the best product testers on this channel are the women down there. If you want more rankings like this one, tell me what you'd like me to test next, and hit subscribe so we can spend another Thursday morning together. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of your hair. Take care of yourself.